I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Hey, I came to work. I stayed as long as I can. It's 11 o'clock. I don't even want to eat. I don't feel good. So I'll see y'all when I see ya. I'm going to go home and lay down. But I love you all. And yeah, bleh, bye. Well, I'm making it. I feel like poop. But anyway, so I came home and of course the dogs were squirrely. I know I'm a hot mess. You just let it be. Let it be. Anyway, so I came home, the dogs were squirrely, but I kind of settled them in. I blocked the dog door because once in a while the dog poop people come on Tuesdays. But anyway, so I lay down. Finally they settled in. And then I told my Alexa, here's what I said, except I use mine also to yours. Hey Alexa, set a 3:30 alarm. So that's what I told her. Only I use Ziggy. Anyway, and then I think I said 3 o'clock, and then I changed it to 4 o'clock. But I ended up waking up 3:45. So I don't know if she's still got that alarm or not. Ooh, Gouda. I love Gouda cheese. Today's the 16th and I got Gouda cheese. Anyway, so I slept till about 3:30, 3:45. And yeah, I feel better. Gouda. I like Gouda cheese. Feel physically better. I'm not hungry, but I'm hungry. You know how it is. Because you know I ain't gonna miss 2 meals in one day. I'll miss one. I ain't missing 2. So, I have 3 eggs and a pork steak. I'm craving really bland things, so I don't have a lot of seasonings in here. You know, I am kind of kicking myself in the tail for something in the past. You guys used to tell me all the time on my meal prep, save that fat. Don't give it to the dogs or don't throw it away. Well, I have some hashtag regrets about not saving the fat from the past. Because what I'm doing right now with it, and I shouldn't be doing it yet. I should wait until I'm, anyway, until I'm eating the right amount of food. But what I did with it, though, is I put it out in a pan, and then I did it in little chunks like I used to do for them. Only now I just got a little piece. I dropped it into the skillet to cook with. I mean, I have extra. Don't trust me. I have like thing of lard. I have like. One time I decided I had a deep fryer, little Fry Daddy Junior thing, and decided I was going. And I bought 5 pounds of lard, and then I'm like, well, what am I going to do with all the rest of it? So I put it out in jars and froze it. So I have a bunch of lard in my freezer. I do understand I'm all over the place, but all that to say is I'm kind of kicking myself for getting rid of all the fat that I used to give to them, but not really. They enjoyed it. Let me tell you one thing. I do not hear ambulances coming in and out very often, but what I do hear is that helicopter, and it has been. I've heard it like 2 or 3 times today, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on. The hospital I live by, it's a regular hospital, but the one over by the interstate is the trauma center, trauma level 1, 5, whatever they are. So they get like the wrecks and stuff, like the really bad stuff because they're right by the interstate. But anyway, I've heard that helicopter 2 or 3 times today, and I'm like, oh God, please be with those people and their family. Hang on a minute. Hey, Ziggy, cancel my alarm. it says, good afternoon. It's 4 p.m. So what am I sipping on right here? This is chocolate peanut butter and pistachio. Yeah. I felt guilty leaving today at work because we're having our work team is having a Christmas party on Thursday. I tell you, I thank the good Lord for Suzanne. Oh man, I thank the Lord for Suzanne. Sometimes I want to pinch her head off, and I know she wants to pinch my head off, but man, her ability to think of things and put things together, and you tell me to plan something, and it's gonna be. There's a helicopter again. I guess it came in and out. I don't know. Anyway, you tell me to put something together, and up. That's what it's gonna be. Not gonna be some la and la and la, but that gum. She loves to plan stuff and loves to do fun things. I can't. Today, let's see, today's Tuesday. So today is the day of the work party. And I have a potato bar and soups. I'm bringing a pork loin. I'm smart. Everybody knows that's what I bring to everything. So that's in my freezer. And so what I'll do is tomorrow night, I'll stick it frozen into my crock pot on low. And then it should be good to go by the time we're ready to eat and stuff on Thursday. And then somebody else is bringing barbecue sauce, and I'll bring some of my barbecue sauce. And I'll eat some of their stuff too. Come on now. We know me better than that. It's a party. What else do I know? Oh, yeah, I was thanking God for Suzanne. I tell you, she plans the things that we're going to give them. She plans the games we're going to do. She is so creative. And I tell you, I just thank the good Lord for her all the time. What else do I know? Because I know it's going to be a short video. That's really all I know. I'm just kind of in my head. Hey. Oh, it's only 4. My lights hadn't kicked on over there. I'm like, what's the deal? But it's only 4 o'clock. I really think I've had a fever. I was freezing in the bed. And I usually have to turn the house down to 67 degrees to sleep. But it was on 70. I was freezing. I was scooting on back against them puppy dogs. Anyway. Oh, look, now they're on. Look, I told them to kick on, and they did. I don't know if you can see them from here or not. That there. You can see the little red and green and blue. Anyway, that's what I know. I love you all. So this is what I'm eating. I'm still alive. So yay! So, all right. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.